Welcome back to my channel. Today we'll look at the Lego Technic 42104. Now this is an awesome racing truck and it has 227 pieces and for ages 7 above. Now this Lego set, it has an awesome feature, a 2-in-1 feature where you can build two different sets, and it also has an awesome pullback feature which adds a ton of functionality. Now this Lego Technic set is highly requested by my son, mostly because 1, it is a truck, and 2, it's a Lego. Win-win. Now, I did mention that this set has two different builds. The A build is the racing truck, which is displayed on the front picture, and the B build, which is an awesome racing car, which I gotta say, the racing car looks almost better than the A build. Now, for today's build, my son's gonna help me out, and we're gonna spend some father-son time together. Alright, let's jump into it, and let's get this build started. Now for the 2020 model, they really did a nice number on this set. I love the articulating opening doors and the opening hood. And plus the asymmetrical wheels give it a nice racetrack feel. And especially the big huge spoiler on the rear, it also makes it really unique. What makes this set really fun is the pullback feature, which they seem to keep the design very similar from previous years. And it really adds another level of fun to this model. Now the one thing I'm truly trying to figure out whether I really like or dislike is this finishing goal. Now it does add a nice picturesque quality to the build, especially when you put it on the shelf, and it does really scream out the racing quality of this build. At the same time, it also misleads the consumer in believing that there is actually 227 pieces used in the car build. But overall, let me know if you think the finishing goal sign was a good idea. Leave in the section below. But I do love this build. It's really sturdy and it's a great improvement over the previous years. Now, if you found the information in this video informative and interesting, hit the like button. If you want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe buttons. If you have any thoughts, comments, suggestions, leave in the section below. Until next time, happy playing and peace out.